Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the SOXL ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Missing out on crucial updates that could impact your investments is not something you want to risk. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.50. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 38.3% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 24 days ago. This means an average return of 1.6% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund, ETF, currently resides in the upper part of a wide and robust upward trend in the short term. For short-term traders, this presents a potential selling opportunity, as we may anticipate a reaction that could push the price towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $40.49, it would indicate a stronger rate of ascent. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected potential change of 60.83% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging between 30.3% and 65.63%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 65.6% over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging between -21.92% and 52.25%. In other words, the ETF's price could range from $30.70 to $59.86 after a year. Our latest update for the SOXL ETF is quite impressive. On Friday, the ETF's price gained a significant 5.84%. Specifically, on the last trading day, Friday, February 9, 2024, the SOXL ETF price increased from $37.15 to $39.32. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be intriguing to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF experienced a 6.35% fluctuation, reaching a low of $37.18 and a high of $39.54. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in an overall increase of 15.61% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the volume of shares traded also increased on the last day, which is a positive technical signal. Approximately 6 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 65 million shares bought and sold, amounting to around $2.57 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the SOXL ETF reached its highest price at $39.54, while its lowest price was $12.52. Currently, the price is 0.56% or $0.220 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 89.6% or $338.92 below the all-time high, which occurred on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, an ETF. The SOXL ETF shows positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the stock. Furthermore, the relation between these two signals also suggests a buy opportunity, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support expected at $35.27 and $31.87. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 22.49% increase so far. The rising volume alongside the price is seen as a positive technical signal. Nonetheless, there are also some negative signals that may impact the short-term development. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Today, let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting in your trading journey. The first signal is the moving average convergence divergence, which is indicating a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 8 days ago. Additionally, the Bollinger signal showed a buy signal 41 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we can see a buy signal that occurred 6 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 25 days ago. Taking a closer look at the 12-month chart, we find that the short moving average indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 61 days ago. Lastly, considering the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 49 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL, a popular ETF, has an interesting support level at $37.48. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as we can anticipate an upward reaction when the support is tested. It's important to note that SOXL is known for its volatility and is considered a high-risk investment due to its large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. In fact, just yesterday, the ETF had a price range of $2.36, which is equivalent to a 6.35% fluctuation. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been around 6.81%. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for SOXL. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a trader, you may want to consider entering a position and using volume as an indicator for your exit strategy. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $37.48. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders who anticipate a rebound in the stock's price. We recommend setting the stop loss for this ETF at $37.83, with a decrease of 3.8%. This ETF exhibits significant daily movements, resulting in a higher level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 7 days ago. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL currently exhibits several positive signals and is experiencing a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Considering these factors, we believe it is a wise choice at its current levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. When trading resumes on Monday, February 12th, we expect SOXL to open with a decrease of $0.640 at $38.68. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a fantastic day.